Good morning. 6:55 a.m. June 25th, 2024. Just a matter of a couple of minutes ago, we had our tornado siren kicking off for a few minutes. Thought I'd come out here. It was sprinkling a little bit earlier. Thought I'd come out here and do a little bit of recording as to what our sky situation is at this current moment in time. This is, and I should be out in the parking lot checking this out. I've been up for quite a few hours now. But this is just really weird looking. And I have to admit, this is yet another first for me. I have never seen the sky conditions such as this. You know, in fact, I think I am going to go ahead, and while I got the opportunity, I'm going to run down to the parking lot and record some more of this. So I'm going to pause it and we'll return. Okay, I am walking out here. This looks much brighter in the screen of my device right now. I'm not sure how it's going to turn out. And ironically, I just heard a jet aircraft flying over, which is typical in any kind of a heavy precipitation event anymore, as I have reported in past recordings. And basically they monitor these situations as they unfold, and this is headed our way. And so we should be seeing some lightning and whatnot. The wind is picking up. Quite the interesting frontal system, if you will. Okay, now I'm starting to get a little bit of precipitation hitting me. And I had plans on coming out with a reincarnation video today, but I do believe that scenario will be changing, because after this comes through, that ball of light is supposed to come out quite ferociously. Temperatures are to rise, as well as the humidity and mugginess, and boy, this is really starting to blow out here. So, no, I am not a storm chaser. I let them chase me. Pretty radical looking though. Should be getting some lightning at any given point in time now. This is what we got over the building. And boy, I'm hearing branches cracking, and oh yeah, I might have to head in here shortly before I get hit by something. But now, I'm not afraid of much of anything. What do we got kicking off here? Yeah, this is moving over rather quick. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and head back up. Ooh-wee. Well, maybe not. Maybe I'll stick out here for just... It is getting really hot myself. Yeah. Okay, we got trees cracking out here. I'm going to head in and go over to the other side. Okay, so a little bit more wind protection, but we're going to, yeah, we'll monitor the situation from this side now. And yeah, it is starting to precipitate. Yeah, I dig this stuff, man. Power. Oh. Okay. So, with the rain coming down, basically, a lot of this is going to mellow out, I do believe. Yeah. Oh, whoa. I don't know if I caught that bird, but it was having a heck of a time flying. Yeah, you can see there, you can see the precipitation there. And I'm getting some more wind. Getting some rumbling. And you know, look at just how, oh, there we go. Look at how dirty all of this has appeared too. Now I'm trying to steer clear of the precipitation. Alright, there's the echo from the lightning, known as thunder. And yeah, as soon as that lightning occurred, yeah, I did see my screen, like, oh, what do I call it? Yeah, glitch out. There we go. With that line, the glitch line. Yeah, I was going to start the recording back when the Sirens was going off, but the last recording where I did that, boy, I was just as irritating within the recording as in real time life. Yeah, this seems like it's just going into just your typical thunderstorm now. I think basically all the fun stuff has already occurred. There might be some more lightning and thunder and gustiness of wind. But yeah, that precipitation's getting a little bit heavier, so yeah, look at this. It's a good way of actually seeing a little bit more of what's happening here. Yeah, I gotta step in. I do not like being out in precipitation at all. Yeah, we are now getting enough of it to where drippage from the roof has begun. Still getting quite a lot of blissfulness, whatever. Yep. Basically, once that rain starts coming down, most everything else is already passed on by, if it's, anything of severity and whatnot. So that's going to conclude it. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. Something a little bit different. Something a little bit new. At least for me. Maybe for you. But as always, take care. And we'll see you once again here on the flip side.